Imagine if you could unlock new liquidity from your crypto assets tied up in staking or yield farming. Liquidity that's transferable across blockchain networks, so you could engage in more investment opportunities while earning ultra-high yield. With Ramp, the multi-chain DeFi protocol, you can. Using Ramp, you simply deposit your crypto assets in vaults that auto-compound to optimize your returns. While earning yields, you can extract extra liquidity because Ramp lets you mint RUSD, a collateralized stablecoin against your asset deposits. Use your RUSD instantly on automated market makers to buy new token assets with strong growth potential. While your original holdings generate passive income, your minted RUSD can be transferred seamlessly across blockchain networks to target profit opportunities. Stake, earn high yields, and borrow liquid capital simultaneously in just a few clicks on Ramp DeFi. Get started at appv2.rampdefi.com.
Ramp has launched a liquidity incentives program on Binance Smart Chain, where users who borrow RUSD can share in a combined rewards pool of 40 million Ramp. Users can borrow RUSD from the Ramp protocol after depositing assets such as Ramp, Cake or BNB, or even Cake LP assets such as BNB, USDT. This means that users can earn staking yield, borrow liquidity, and earn from borrowing at the same time. Collateral used for RUSD minting has a minimum collateralization ratio of 135%. This means $1,350 worth of assets can mint up to 1,000 RUSD at the maximum. The liquidation ratio for collateral used is 130%. This means if asset prices decreased, a debt of 1,000 RUSD requires $1,300 worth of assets to be sold for repayment. We welcome new users to the Ramp platform and encourage users to exercise caution when using leverage at all times. Want to get paid to borrow? Join us today at appv2.rampdefi.com.